Pero ang galing-galing mo dun sa, anong tawag nun? Sa
Hanging challenge.
hanging challenge. What we, 3 oras? 2
2 hours and 45 minutes.
Right,
I think,
almost 3 hours you
almost
were
3
up
hours.
there. Ano yung, how did you do that? What was playing in your mind? Because it becomes a mental game at a certain
100%,
point.
100%. I mean, it was great hearing my teammates cheering for me, but at the same time, you did have the trash talking from the other teams. They're trying to get in our heads, right? So Australia was talking a little bit of trash, you know, same as Korea, like, oh, Team Philippines' legs are shaking. And really, I was just trying to block it all out and stay focused. I knew that if I relaxed my face, then my body will follow. So I was playing psychological games, you know, like I said on the show. I didn't want the girls to see the weakness. You know, because then they would get more confident too, the other two competing with me. So, because we'd all look at each other, take quick looks to see how they were doing. Like, are they really shaking? Are they looking? But I knew that if they saw me and I just had a poker face and I looked like, oh, no problem, then it would mess with their confidence. So,
Doon naglalaro, Lara, kasi napanood namin, maraming salamat doon sa deathmatch
Ball challenge po.
ball challenge.
Yes po.
3 seconds.
3 seconds. The clutch
Na palagay
queen,
ko
yes.
lahat ng nanonood na Pinoy sa buong mundo ay nagdadasal. And I don't know how you did it, but how did you do it?
Actually, before pa po nag-start, nung nakita namin na yung ball challenge yung next, kami ni Robin, natakot na kami kasi alam namin...
Robin po yung isang girl
yung
natin
katim, yes,
na
yung
kasama,
katim
oo.
ko na babae.
Siyang nakahawak sa bola
Yes
sa ilalim.
po. Kumbaga kami, wala kaming background sa combat. Tinuruan lang kami, pero syempre, hindi mo naman ma-apply on the spot kagad yun. So, nung nakita namin yun, sabi ko kay Robin, ganito na lang, takbo ka kagad sa bola, ibato mo sa akin, kukunin ko, susut ko na doon sa goal natin. Kaso hindi nag-work.
Okay.
So, nagkaroon ng overtime, which is the last rematch, right?
Yes.
Right.
The last
So
60
that time,
seconds.
tinatry lang namin i-hold yung ball talaga. Kaso etong si Thailand, yung crossfitter nila, isa din sa fittest in Asia for like 9 years, parang ganon. So
Wow.
imagine, yung kakompetensya ko malaki sa akin, alam kong malakas sa akin. Nung nakita kong hinila nila si Robin, naawa ako kasi di ko alam kung nalulunod na siya, like nakakainom siya ng water, something like that. And then, nasa far end na kami, nung side nila. So if nagstay kami doon, natapos yung time, talo kami. So sila parang 10 seconds, nagka-countdown lahat.
Hold!
Oo, ako parang bahala ka na, Lord. Ganun na lang yung sa akin eh. Nung nakita ko 6 seconds yung time, tinry ko lang, humatak ako ng isa. Nakita ko, lahat sila sumama sa akin. So why not try? Kaya sigaw ako ng sigaw, like 2 pulls na lang. Nung nakita ko, linagpasan ko na yung referee, alam kong lagpas na kami sa midline. And nanalo kami.
Pasample nga, Lara. Paano ka mag-pull?
Nice.
Hindi nga, yung pull lang.
No problem.
Malakas po ba?
Grabe.
But times 3.
Hindi, okay lang. Galing.
The clutch queen.
Ganun lang kabilis. Ganun, 3 yun.
Yes po, 3 pulls lang yun. At saka parang yung time na nakita ko yung 6 seconds, nag-slow mo lahat. Ganun yung feeling. Hindi ko din alam na mapapanalo pa namin yun.